Continuous improvement as a quality philosophy is what ETQ does best, in my opinion, because it allows us to look at incremental improvements along the way with data. Without data, we're just guessing. Understanding the supply chain allowed us to make some configuration changes based on good data that says we can actually speed up that process too, and have. We actually use ETQ from a supplier management to look at agility, and that's what we call it, an agile profile. Using the module and allow us to look at key suppliers around the world, both from the ingredient, the component of plastic that we use for packaging, and the actual assembler that puts the material together. Because the supply chain is so diverse, it's in a variety of different product categories, the selection of the supplier is key. And then their quality, because we are regulated. They have to meet a minimum standard that applies to the product even to be considered, and qualifying them through the module helps us track data. Then we can look at other things like performance. We can look at on-time delivery. We can look at NCMs that come to us via that manufacturer. And the outcome of using that portion of ETQ allowed us to maintain a 98% availability for our customers, which is pretty astounding when you think about it.
So quality is actually one of the Corning 7 driving values. Again, it's basically a culture of quality, so all of us are involved in the aspect of quality within the organization. Corning has been able to work with our suppliers and use the supplier management features in the Reliance platform to help us get better visibility of our top performing suppliers, any suppliers that we may need to work with, and basically make updates potentially to our contracting or our pricing agreements that we have in place. So I think the ETQ Reliance platform has helped us really embed that culture of quality in the organization by, again, allowing people to think more than just the immediate and think of the need that they're working on today and thinking going forward.
Supply chain visibility is very important to us because at Mars we believe that we need to have visibility from farm to fork. So we really would like to understand our suppliers, but also suppliers of our suppliers. So we go down to the manufacturing level or even, farms, for example. So we have got standards which are really important, for the suppliers and how we manage our suppliers. So in terms of, how we then manage it, we audit them. We obviously we use the system Reliance for lots of processes actually related to supplier onboarding and also to management. So really important.
Just like any large company that manufactures and integrates components in, I would say that we really are challenged by the cost of quality or the cost of poor quality. We're ensuring that our suppliers, through our supplier application, are doing all those things to ensure that their processes are in good working order and are delivering those products that we need to integrate into our cabinets and our games the first time. We use ETQ to ensure that our suppliers are doing their very best for us as we produce and provide our games and our applications to our customers and players.